I'm Frankie and I'm a second year DPhil student in Earth Sciences, and I'm looking at removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by accelerating a natural process, and this is called enhanced weathering. So the course has been so useful for project management. That's one of the most useful things on the course actually, I think, because as a PhD student, I am responsible for giving myself direction and just producing my own timeline and getting my experiments done, getting the results out to a high standard and to a budget as well, which is something I'd never thought about before. So by going through the course, and we learned about staying on track, producing high quality data by planning and analysing, all of which are key skills for a PhD because you spend lots of time doing that. But also it just enabled me to give me some structure. So whenever I felt a little bit directionless and I thought that I need to improve this somehow, I'd make a timeline or I'd make a Gantt chart, and that would really help to manage the project. What really I got from the course was that I liked structure and focus. So because the idea of a thesis was so overwhelming initially, oh my goodness, it's a really huge piece of writing. How am I going to do this? And how am I going to write it and also get the data to write it with? So by sort of building up those skills, which enabled me to think in a more structured way and to plan things to be a better project manager, so that I feel a bit more relaxed about it, that I'm going to complete the thesis on time.